and welcome to One and All Present. My name is Laksha Jolly and I am an intern at Lexis & Co. The topic for the day is maintenance of wives, children and parents. Maintenance itself is not defined in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, although provisions in Chapter 9 of the same deals with the maintenance of wives, children and parents. Maintenance in legal terms signifies keeping something in good condition, and the same can be done by providing alimony, which has to be paid regularly to an ex-wife, husband or partner, especially if they have had children together. It is the duty of every person to maintain his wife, children, and aged parents who are not able to live on their own. The main objective behind the maintenance of wife, children, and parents is as follows. The reason for the guidelines is not to punish the individual who is not following such guidelines, but to prevent homelessness and provide a speedy remedy for those who are aggrieved by this. It does not make distinction on the basis of religion or caste. It has no relation to the personal laws of party. The order of maintenance of spouses, children, and parents is dealt with in Section 125 of the CRPC. The names of the parties who are entitled to maintenance, the basic ingredients for claiming and receiving maintenance, and the order of the first-class magistrate are all listed in this section. Under Section 125 of the CRPC, the following individuals can claim maintenance: wife from his husband, legitimate or illegitimate minor child from his father, legitimate or illegitimate minor child, physical or mental abnormality from his father, and father or mother from his son or daughter. Wife. A wife can claim maintenance from her husband in the following conditions: her spouse has divorced her, she was not able to get divorced from her husband, and she hasn't married again. She is unable to support herself. Though they have Distinction Act, Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Marriage Act for them. Muslim wives can also claim maintenance under the CRPC. In the following circumstances, a wife cannot claim and receive maintenance from her husband. Wife who is having an affair refuses to live with her husband for no apparent reason. By mutual agreement, they are living separately. Legitimate or illegitimate minor child. For son, a person under the requirement of Section 3 of Indian Majority Act 1875 is deemed not to be gained majority, that has not reached the age of 18, is referred to as minor. Under Section 125 CRPC, a minor son, legitimate or illegitimate, is entitled to maintenance. Daughter. If a minor daughter, illegitimate or illegitimate, is unmarried, she is entitled to maintenance from her father. If she is married, she is also entitled to maintenance from her husband. However, the magistrate must be satisfied with her husband lacks necessary and sufficient means to support his minor wife. Legitimate or illegitimate abnormal child who has attained majority. If a significant child, illegitimate or legitimate, is abnormal, mentally or physically unfit, the father of the child is responsible for his upkeep and might claim maintenance on the basis. Father or mother, aged. Maintenance can be claimed by both natural mother and father. Adoptive mothers are entitled to support from their adopted sons. Maintenance is a statutory requirement that a father can claim. This claim cannot be rejected by claiming that the father has failed to fulfill his parental obligations. Maintenance can be claimed by a childless stepmother. It is also important to note down that maintenance can only be claimed if the mother and father are unable to maintain themselves and the child is willingly not maintaining them. Maintenance cannot be claimed if the child is not able to maintain himself. The essential conditions for claiming and granting maintenance are as follows. Sufficient means for maintenance are available. If a person has sufficient means available for maintenance for his parents, wives and children, then one should provide for the same. If the same is not available, then it makes a valid offence. Neglect or refusal to maintain. On their demand for maintenance, any person neglects or refuses to maintain his wife's, children, parents with a malified intent or in any form of egoistic behavior. Quantum of maintenance. The amount of maintenance is referred to as the quantum of maintenance. The amount of maintenance required is determined by the standard of living. For example, if a wealthy family has a problem, the demand for maintenance will be more than it would be for a poor family, based on their previous ways of living. Thank you. That was all.